Imagine a wave 39 meters high crashing into land. That's what happened in Japan 2011. A catastrophic undersea quake, magnitude 9.1, triggered a tsunami of epic proportions. Entire towns wiped out, over 15,000 lives lost. Yet from this disaster, resilience emerged. Japan rebuilt stronger than ever. New seawalls, higher ground, improved warning systems. In sports, they say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Japan's recovery from that tsunami, it's a testament to that spirit. A moment of silence for lives lost, a cheer for resilience found. Remember, we are all stronger than the waves that try to knock us down.